Hello, guys, welcome back to another lesson with the little programmer. So, today we're going to learn how to write variable names and use them. So, first, what are variable names? Variable names can have a short name like X, Y, and even the like literally any letter. And also they can be a more complicated name like name, color, weight, age, anything. But there are rules to these names. That first of all, the variable must start with a letter or an underscore character. It also should cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphabet characters and underscores, and also numbers from 0 to 9. Variable names also are case sensitive, as they say, because for example, age here written, this can be a variable. But if we write it like this, age with a capital A, it is a totally different variable, and the same goes for age with all caps. Also, a variable cannot be any of the Python keywords. So this is a really important rule. So variable names that can be used in Python are my var equals Homer. So this is a legal Python variable. Also, we can use my var 5 or 6. We can also use my var. Some variables that can be used in Python that won't work are such, like, for example, if it starts with a number and then we write my var, see here it will give us a red on the 6 because a variable cannot start with a number, and even if we try, the autocorrect will correct it for us. It should. And here we continue with variables that can be used in Python. If it has a space, for example, it won't work. Let's also use another example for better understanding. We can use write my var like this with a dash in the middle. It also won't work. So here these are normal variables that can be used, and these three variables here cannot be used. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so other people can learn as well. And see you next time. Bye.